Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
Here we present the 5 best hand blender. Let's get started with the list. Number 1. Proctor-Silex 59738 Hand Blender. Proctor-Silex is one particular hand blender that has the ability to do several tasks with one single machine like blending, mixing and whipping. It has a motor of 150 watts, easy to carry as very light in weight. It has sharp stainless steel blade which fits exactly to your blending needs and requirement. Proctor-Silex results very quick and proficient. Furthermore, very easy to wash and clean, consists of 2 speeds, high and low. Proctor hand blender manufacturer gives 1-year warranty on the blender. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 59765 Immersion Hand Blender. Hamilton Beach Hand Blender has a very powerful big motor of 225 watts, capable of doing multiple tasks with one machine like blending, chopping, mixing or emulsifying. It is very easy to use and clean, includes some other equipments with it like beater, chopping container and mixing wand. Hamilton blender is not much expensive to buy. Number 3. Cuisinart CSB75BC Smart Stick. Cuisinart hand blender has a motor of 200 watts. It is designed in a look of a simple stick, which can enter into the pot, container or bowl to blend food items easily. Cuisinart is really light in weight, easy to handle and use. It has 2 different speeds, low and high. You can use any according to your need and requirement. Very tension-free blender, quick and neat wash of dishwasher blending shaft and beaker. Only one touch on off button, ideal blender for mixing more than 2 mixtures. Number 4. Chefman Immersion Blender. Chefman hand blender is a unique design blender, comes in graceful deep black color. It has a motor of 300 watts. Chefman offers 2 different speeds, high and low. Chefman also provides bonus chopper along with hand blender. It can perform various tasks which include chopping, grinding, creaming, blending, mixing and pureeing. Chefman stick can easily reach into the deep and tall bowls, pitchers and containers. It is very easy to handle and has very strong grip. Chefman manufacturer provides 3 years of warranty of blender. Number 5. KitchenAid KHB2351CU3 Speed Hand Blender. KitchenAid hand blender is easy to handle and use, one of the flexible blenders, can be used for blending, crushing, chopping, whisking and pureeing. It comes in a pack with other combination of other equipments like container, 2 bowls, and whisks. All these parts are dishwasher proved. KitchenAid blender also gives warranty of 1 year.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.